Hello, welcome to the channel Communicated, and today I'm going to talk to you about pitch and pitching. According to Cambridge Dictionary, pitch is a speech or act that attempts to persuade somebody to buy or do something. Usually this format is really short in time, not more than 5 minutes. It could be even less. And it is used to promote or sell the idea to investors or to grantors. I have this experience 5 times. 4 times it was for myself, for my project, and once for our NGO. And all of this time I was granted, so I hope my advices would be helpful to you. There is 3 main points you have to stick when you do a pitch. The first one, you have to be clear. The second one, it should be short. And the third one, your pitch should be structured. There is 5 main topics that investor wants to hear from you about your project. The first one is motivation. Why you do what you do? What motivates you? The second one is finance. If it is an investment, your investor should understand that your project is profitable and you have taken all the risk into account. If we are talking for non-commercial projects, anyway, your grantors want to understand that all the money would be spent efficiently. The third one is impact. It's more important for non-commercial projects, but lately for commercial too. What impact your project would have on society on a short-term and long-term perspective? The first one is team and experience. Do you have a team? Have you been working together? And what project did you have together? And was it successful or not? And the fifth one is sustainability. It's some kind of trend, but it's a really good trend. Does your project have an impact on environment? Let's summarize. If you want to do a pitch, you have to be clear, short, and structured. If you haven't been given the specific structure, try to stick to these 5 points. It's motivation, finance, your team and experience, impact, and sustainability. I wish your project to be funded. Take care, please subscribe, put me likes, and bye-bye.